Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are here with a new video that improve your productivity. It's about a Chrome extension named as Link Clamp that helps you to open multiple links at one time. Give option to open in new tab or new window. Also allow to delay opening of the tabs. Bookmark links at the same time and some other awesome features as well that help you to improve your productivity. So let's start with the video. Open your Chrome browser, search Link Lamp Chrome extension. Here you will see the result, or you can search it in Chrome Web Store. Here is the extension. Open this result. Add this extension. This extension lets you open, copy or bookmark multiple links at the same time. Link Clamp gives you the ability to drag a selection box around the links using your mouse to quickly open as new tabs, open in new window, save as bookmarks or copy to clipboard. It allows you smart select, which means tries to select only the important links on the page. Turn off this option to open all selected links. Auto scroll, the page will automatically scroll down to make it easier to select all the links at once. You can put filter links, include or exclude links that contain certain words. Delay, set a delay between the opening and closing of each tab. Extension is installed now. Here is the icon. Click on the option. Here is the new window. How it works. Activate by left mouse and C key to select the links you want to open in new tab. You can add more actions. Open in a new window. Opened as a new tab. Bookmark. Copy to clipboard. Smart select. Exclude or include links with words. Delay in opening. Close tab time. Block repeat links. Reverse order. Open tabs at the end. So these are the options you can select. Now see how it works. We search internet on Google and here it shows the result. We select the results we want to open with left mouse click and Z. Here it shows the number of links is 5, and as we left these keys it will open all the tabs with links. Here you see the results. Open with same sequence. So you see how this extension allows you to open multiple links at one time in new tabs or in new windows, allow you to bookmark links or copy to clipboard. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.